Reporting vehicle repairs on paper? Paper can't manage a fleet. FastTicket. No more lost notes. Everything's on your phone. Here's how the FastTicket app works. First, the driver logs in using a simple form and clicks New Ticket. Then they select the truck's license plate number and provide a description of the issue. Next, they can add photos or simply submit the ticket right away. It's that easy. Next, the head mechanic or fleet manager sees the ticket in a dedicated admin panel where they manage tickets, drivers, and vehicles. They can assign the submitted ticket to a specific mechanic. The assigned mechanic receives a notification on their phone. They also have their own app. Within the app, mechanics can add notes to the ticket and mark the task as completed once the work is finished. Everything is smooth and fast. After all, it's FastTicket. FastTicket simplifies communication between drivers, mechanics, and fleet managers. No more paperwork. No more delays. Just tap, assign, repair. FastTicket. Fleet sorted, paper free.